Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K40, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So the first method, you just have to open your phone application, then open the keypad and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and this code displays your IMEI 1, your IMEI 2, and also your serial number. But the second method, you can just go to the settings, then go to the About Phone section, and here you can find all these informations. Go to the All Specs, Status, and here you have IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and in model and hardware you can find your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.